Oh hey guys, didn't see you there. Hey, Wrenchy Allen here with another Satori Fun challenge. Now for this challenge we're going to need a little bit of a prop. I can use some sort of necklace with a heavy object at the bottom. I've seen people attach a washer to a small string to make this work as well. You could even use a phone charger that's plugged in if you would like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it kind of up here in 2 fingers, and I'm going to try to relax my arm with the heavy object facing down. Now this might sound cuckoo, but what we're going to try to do is move the heavy object at the bottom with our mind. So remember, I hold up to the top, I pinch nice and tight, I rest my elbow on my knee here. Now you can sit full lotus or sit on a bed or something if that works too. I make sure that this is nice and stable, or as stable as it can be. I relax, and I'm going to focus all my intensity on the end right here, trying to get it to move. We're going to fast forward the video real quick so you see what my progress ended up becoming. JK, no, not that. Life gets stressful, life gets crazy. We all know this. This guy right here was a great way for me to practice resetting when I found times hard, so hopefully this tip works for you. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Good luck. Let us know if you're able to make it spin.